Hey ladies, this is your choreography for the beginning. You're going to start with the elbows out at the sides, and you're going to go into the stage in 4 counts. Take your downstage foot, so if you're on stage right, coming in from the right, that means it's going to be your right foot. If you're coming in from the left, it's going to be your left foot, the one close to the audience. You're going to cross, 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 and then touch. And as you touch, you're going to go out. And that's on the whoa. Then you're going to strike your pose. So either here, or here, or here, or here, or here, whatever. Some pose. So you go during the intro. It's slow and whoa, pop. Hold, 2, 3, stop, stop. And then you're going to go around to here in the front. So the hat will be in the front here. And then you're going to put your foot back, pop it straight up on the hit, and then melt slow to the head on the second one. Then on the third one, so I'll move over so you can make sure you see me. You're just going to do a step to the outside. So if you're on stage right, you're actually going to go out to the right. And then you're going to push over, or kind of slide the finger over on the hat, and then throw it away. If you're on stage left, you're going to go turn, turn, throw, hit. Okay, and out to the side. And then you're going to move into your position 1, your official position 1. So that first one's in your clumps. And if you are on the outside circle, okay, in the middle, you're going to go straight up and out. Or if you're on stage left, up here and pose. If you're in the middle circle, you're going to go here. Actually, you're going to do Barbie hand on the hip. And then you're going to go around the circle. 2, 3, 4, whoa, pop. And you're going to hit your pose in the middle. So it's the 2 in the front are going to be here or here. 2 in the sides will be here, right on the shoulder. And the ones in the back will be straight up here. Then you're going to switch. Hit. So on the next one, whoa, pop. So if you were up to the right, you're going to be down to the left. If you are down to the left, you're going to be up to the right. And then we're going to hit this one here. Whoa, pop. And the last one, whoa. So the hat's going to go on the head, and then you're going to pop forward.
Sorry, will you remind me real